What's going on, Tesla people? So today I'm going to show you how to do your annual maintenance on your Tesla. We're going to go ahead and pop the hood. Check out this sick V8. Oh yeah, cargo space. Alright, so to do your annual maintenance on your Tesla, you're not going to need any of this shit because all the annual maintenance is filling your washer fluid. So I'm going to go ahead. This is Publix brand washer fluid. It's approved by Tesla for use. So you're gonna wanna go ahead and pick up some of that. I'm just kidding. Any washer fluid will work. All right, and we're just gonna pour that right in there. If you live in a snowy climate or cold climate, you might wanna get some with some de-icer in it. But I'm in Alabama, and it's 70 degrees in January right now. All right, so I went ahead and topped off our washer fluid in our Tesla, and we're good for another year on maintenance.